As with your smartphone, when new services are available or a Peugeot UK system update is required, you no longer need to download files onto a dongle or go to a dealership. Your connected Peugeot downloads the updates that you can install directly from your car. These updates only concern in-vehicle infotainment, such as navigation, voice control, or screen functions. They don't concern the vehicle's other electronic systems. Let's follow the procedure step by step. It's very simple. When an update is available, downloading takes place automatically, and a pop-up appears on your Peugeot's central screen to suggest its installation. This information is displayed at the end of a journey as you turn off the ignition. Click on Install Now. If you click on Remind Me Later, a new window will pop up at the end of your next journey. Before clicking on Install, please read the information on the page. It will indicate when the update expires and how long it will take to install it. Next, click on Install. The vehicle is immobilized during updating. Do not use your Peugeot during installation. You can monitor its advancement thanks to the progress bar. During updating, the screen may switch off completely several times. If you wish to undertake another journey immediately, please wait for around 4 minutes after the end of the installation. When all the vehicle's indicator lights have gone out, you can start your vehicle again. It is up to date and fully operational. If you wish, you can also leave and lock your vehicle once you've launched the installation. Without monitoring its advancement, it will proceed normally. When you start your car again, a message displayed on the central screen will inform you of the installation's success. If the installation fails, a message will be displayed on the central screen. If this happens, please contact the support service via the MyPeugeot application on your smartphone, selecting Contact Peugeot via the Contact and Assistance tab. A new update will be programmed for your vehicle. Thanks to over-the-air technology, your Peugeot is rapidly updated so that you can enjoy its infotainment in all simplicity.